So many people ask me, what's the number one thing, or the number one thing that you hear that people are surprised about when it comes to Medicare? And that's a really good question because honestly, there are a lot of surprises or differences. But honestly, most of the time, they're good surprises. I think the number one surprise, or at least the surprise that our clients see, is how reasonably priced Medicare can be and how great of coverage it can have. Again, if you pick the right plan, it can cost you less than your employer plan, and it can also allow you to continue to see the same doctors. And again, that shocks most people. We have clients who come in who are literally scared to even get the number of what Medicare will cost because they think it's going to end up draining their savings. And they are pleasantly surprised, and that's an understatement, as to how cost effective Medicare can be. With that said, if you go through a broker, you probably will not find that deal, that well-priced plan that fits you best just because of how the system is set up. But for people who do it correctly, for people who come to us or who spend extensive amounts of time doing their own research and talking to experts, you can get a plan that is amazingly affordable as well as has great coverage. So again, most people are surprised by that. Now there are some other surprises with Medicare. For example, there are certain things that are different from your typical health insurance. We had a client the other day who wanted to go in for a pap smear, but actually Medicare only covers tests like that every other year. So there are some funny rules when it comes to Medicare. Again, we give all of our clients all of the insider tips so they don't have those surprises. We just kind of give them a heads up to avoid issues. But yeah, Medicare is amazing, and I think it's one of the biggest surprises that people have when it comes to Medicare. All right, here's to making Medicare easy.